Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Japanese Lesson 1. How to introduce yourself in Japanese. You walk into a quiet room in Japan. Soft conversations surround you. Polite smiles. Gentle bows. And then someone turns to you, looks you in the eye, and says, "Hajime mashite." What do you do? Do you panic, searching your brain for words? Or do you respond calmly, confidently, naturally? Today, next 15 minutes, you're going to learn exactly how to introduce yourself in Japanese, step by step, slowly, clearly, so that by the end, you can have your very first conversation in Japanese. Let's begin. In Japan, first impressions matter. And the very first phrase you'll use is "hajime mashite," pronounced "hajime mashite." This means nice to meet you, but it carries more meaning than that. It's polite, respectful, and used only when meeting someone for the first time. Now, repeat after me slowly. Ha, mi, ma, shi, te. Good. Again, a little more natural. Hajime mashite. Excellent. Now, let's say your name. In Japanese, we say, "Watashi no namae ha desu," pronounced "Watashi no namae wa desu." Let's break it down slowly. Watashi, I, indicates possession namae, name ha, topic marker, pronounced wa desu, polite ending. So together, my name is. Now repeat slowly. Ta, shi, no, na, ma, wa, desu. Good. Now say it with your name. Watashi no namae wa Anna desu. Watashi no namae wa Mark desu. Take your turn. Nice. But here's something important. In real Japanese conversation, people rarely say the full sentence. Instead, they simply say, "Name desu." Example, "Anna desu," "Ken desu." Simple, natural, and very common. Repeat after me. Anna desu. Perfect. Now let's add more information. Let's say where you're from. In Japanese, country kara kimashita, pronounced kara kimashita. This means I came from. Example, Philippine kara kimashita. Philippine kara kimashita. I'm from the Philippines. America kara kimashita. America kara kimashita. Now repeat slowly. Kara ki-ma shi-ta. Now say your country. Great job. Now let's combine everything into a full introduction. Listen first. Hajime mashite, Anna desu, Philippine kara kimashita. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Now let's break that last line down. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu, pronounced Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. This is a very important phrase. It doesn't have a direct English translation, but it means something like, please treat me well, or I look forward to working with you. It's polite and essential in introductions. Now repeat slowly. Yo, ro, shi, ku, o, ne, ga, I. Shi, ma, su, good. Now, let's practice the full introduction. Slowly, repeat after me. Hajimemashite. Ana desu. Philippine kara kimashita. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Excellent. Now, let's simulate a real situation. Imagine someone meets you. They say, Hajimemashite. Now, you respond. Continue your introduction. Very good. In Japan, introductions are not just words. They include body language. When you say Hajimemashite, you should give a slight bow. Not too deep, just respectful. This small gesture makes a big difference. Let's go through the key phrases one more time. Slowly, clearly, with space to remember. Hajimemashite. Desu. Karakimashita. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Perfect. Even if your pronunciation isn't perfect, don't worry, Japanese people appreciate effort. What matters most is that you try. And now, you can already introduce yourself. That's your first real step into Japanese. So next time you hear Hajimemashite, you won't freeze. You won't hesitate. You'll respond naturally, confidently in Japanese. And that's how conversations begin. See you in lesson 2. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.